Today we are going to take you through the Dashcam portal. When you log in, the very first thing you'll see is the live map. This map automatically adjusts to focus on wherever your vehicles are located, whether that's a single city block or spread across multiple regions. Our GPS reports into the system in real time, so you will always know where your vehicles are. Each pin on the map represents a vehicle, and when you see a number cluster, that means multiple vehicles are in the same area. You can click on any pin or cluster to see individual vehicles, whether they're active or inactive. When you select a vehicle, it highlights in blue and brings up a sub-menu with all your vehicle's details. With just a click, you can view both the forward-facing road camera and the driver-facing cab camera in real time. You can expand the video window for a larger view, and you'll see live updates of vehicle speed and heading as the driver moves down the road. This lets you know exactly what's happening, even if you're miles away. Our system also offers historical breadcrumb tracking. At any time, you can pull up the past 24 hours of a vehicle's movements, see exactly when each trip started and ended, and review details like exact location and speed at any point along the route. But where this really shines is with video retrieval. Say you want to see what happened at a specific moment. Simply click on that point in the timeline, request footage, and it's pulled straight from the device into the portal. No more removing SD cards or scrolling through hours of video manually. Once retrieved, you can play back the video, view both camera angles side by side, and download it as an MP4 file to share with insurance carriers, police, or your internal team. All requested footage, along with event-based recordings like harsh braking or impact alerts, is stored in the cloud for 12 months, giving you a long window to review incidents when needed. Our system also tracks critical events like hard braking, harsh acceleration, and severe shocks. You can generate reports showing exactly when and where these events occurred, view the associated video, and even fine-tune the sensitivity to reduce false positives like potholes while still capturing true impact events. For example, if a camera becomes dislodged or an unusual reading triggers an alert, you'll see it here and can act immediately. And if one of your drivers witnesses an unsafe situation, there's a built-in panic button that allows them to manually trigger a recording. This footage is flagged in the system so you can review it right away. Whether you have a forward and driver-facing camera or our multi-channel camera solution, the portal gives you crucial evidence to protect your drivers. Finally, everything you've seen here is also available on our mobile app for iOS and Android. While live streaming is currently available only through the desktop portal, you can request and review footage from anywhere on the go. That's a quick look at how our solution keeps your fleet protected, your claims defensible, and your operations running smoothly, all from one simple portal.